Hey guys, welcome to another stream. So I will be going through a quick update on what's happening for Bitcoin and whether is there anything interesting from a price action perspective. So as you can see on the screen right now, what we have is the 4-hourly Bitcoin price action. And recently and just the last few hours ago, we just actually break through above this resistance line that the price has been trying to and attempting to break above. So it finally happened, and it closed slightly below. So this is an interesting point because from a price action perspective, whenever this happens, it kind of signifies a bull flag, and it is likely to form a downwards retracement. So something like this. So if it breaks above, it comes back down, it is likely to go down, right? But so far from a 4-hourly perspective, it's still holding on strong. But as you can see, it starts to have some leg downwards. So this could mean that the price needs more time to consolidate before it can attempt a breakthrough on the top again. Or it could also mean that the price will continue downwards. So those are things that we need to consider from a probability perspective. So just to do a quick update as well, I have actually closed out 50% of my position around this region when the price is inching upwards over the resistance line over here. So after closing 50%, I still hold on to a little bit of my long position, and that is to give the price some wiggle room to actually run wow organically and see where the price takes us. From a long-term perspective, I still hold on to the belief that the price would go higher. However, it might need to consolidate a bit from a price perspective before it has a genuine breakout upwards. So because of that, I'm not keen to actually do a short sell or a short position yet. I'm just holding out on my long position for now, but I closed out and took some of the profits and see how the price will go from here. And from a price action perspective, it still signifies quite a strong break, but because of this candle closing below this resistance line, from a very short-term perspective, it might also mean that it might need more time of consolidation before it can attempt another breakout. So that's something to take into consideration. Let's also look at the hourly price action as an example. And as you can see, the price has been testing the resistance for some time, and it shows that there is a lot of buyer confidence to actually keep testing the resistance line. So far, after this candle, which is the last hour, after testing it, it came down, closed slightly below, and then it tests again, but it failed within this hourly candle and it came downwards. So now the question is, how far will it go down? Will it close around here or will it close lower? So those are the things that I will be monitoring closely, because it will give us some level of understanding on what is the sentiment between buyer and seller. So far, I see that sellers are also holding back. They are not aggressive with their trades. They are not piling up their short position when the price is at this region. And for buyers, it's still quite strong. I can see them attempting to break out from here, but let's see how it goes. From a 4-hourly perspective, let me just zoom out again. I also want to call out one area of interesting fact is that usually when price break above after testing it for very long, we would see the price shoot up by a lot. And the reason for that is because there will be a lot of short position with their stop loss around just slightly above this resistance line, but we don't see that happening. So the price went up, it did not liquidate enough short position to push the price up like a short squeeze even further. So the price just came up to this level and came back down. So maybe what it means is that there wasn't much short position that was piling up at this level, because every time the price attempt to go up, it is actually clearing out all this short position. That could be a reason why, but that's a guess. Let's see what really happens in the following candlesticks. And yeah, so that's a quick update on the latest price action movements and a quick recap on the positions that I've taken. I will just hold out for now and see where the price takes us, and if there's an opportunity to short or buy in either direction, I will make those trades. So you can have a look at all my latest trade over here. So you can see the last 3 trades 2 hours ago, which means if I go back here 2 hours ago, tracking back around this point, I actually sell out and took some profits. 5 hours ago, which is around 1 2 3 4 5, I actually bought in, and this is the point where the price starts to test out the resistance. However, I did not see a clean break, so I'm actually taking out some of my position to close off as profits, and also in an attempt to de-risk my current position. Yeah, so those are some quick recaps. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and please feel free to leave any comments or feedbacks and give a thumbs up if you like this analysis. And before I end this off, it's also important to highlight a disclaimer that I'm not a pro financial advisor or a pro trader. I'm just a retail trader out there doing my own trading. This is my hobby, and my passion is to make this my full-time job over time. So hopefully you will enjoy this, but never ever copy my trade or copy my advice, right? So make sure you understand the risk behind trading and make sound trade, or maybe seek out some professional financial advisor out there. So disclaimer aside, hope you enjoyed this analysis. I see you again soon. Bye bye.